Hey, this is Dave, and I'm going to show you how to make Salisbury steak the easy way, without any pots or pans, or no microwave, or no oven. Now, a lot of us from the hills of Ohio, we're poor, or maybe we're college students, or maybe we're bachelors who don't have pots or pans. We all know about this banquet. It's cheap and easy. Now this is straight out of the freezer. It's froze. I'll show you here. I don't know if you can see it, but she's froze. She's froze solid. What we're going to do is we're going to put it back in this box. We're going to set it on this burner. We're going to turn this baby on the low. Right there. And what we'll do is we'll turn it up on the 4 for a little bit and get her going. I don't know if you can see the burner getting red or not. It's getting red. We'll just hit her right there and give her a few minutes on the 4 to get her started. And then we'll turn her down on 1 and let her sit for a while. And it'll heat that right up in that box and never burn it. Speaking of easy budget meals, all these people know about the Roman noodles around here. They're cheap and easy. Tomorrow I'm going to show you how to cook them in the coffee pot. Right there. But I'm going to cook them on the coffee pot machine. This is yesterday's coffee. This is the way to heat up yesterday's coffee. Quicker and faster. And look where I slid that back on the burner. She's out of the box. She's really boiling now. I better get at it before it does burn up. Okay, over and out.